Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Principal buffers in the body. So let's look at firstly the extracellular buffers. So in the extracellular buffers, this includes the HCO3. There is HCO3 and this is nothing but the bicarbonate. And this is the major buffer in the ECF and the body. This becomes the major buffer. And it is present in the ECF and the body. Next is, it includes the plasma proteins. There is plasma proteins. And there is also the phosphate, which is minor. Then there is the NH3. This is minor as well. Now we look at the intracellular buffers. Intracellular buffers, it includes the organic phosphates. So there is presence of organic phosphates. Organic phosphates, it includes the examples being AMP, ADP, as well as the ATP23. So ATP23 diphosphoglycerate. So it is diphosphoglycerate. So it is known as the DPG. It is nothing but the DPG. Next is, it involves the intracellular proteins. There is the intracellular proteins and there is hemoglobin in RBC as well. There is hemoglobin in RBC as well. Now let's look at the bone buffers. So under the bone buffers, this includes it has been estimated that at least 40% of the buffering of the acute and load takes place in the bone. So about 40% of the buffering takes place in the bone. And in chronic acidosis, continued buffering has adverse effects on the bone. So in terms of chronic acidosis, there is an adverse effect which is present in the bone mineralization. So there is an effect in the bone mineralization. And it can result in the bone disease such as the rickets, osteomalacia and the osteopenia. So it can form the rickets, osteomalacia as well as the osteopenia. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.